I want to show you a diffusion simulation so you can really understand how molecules diffuse across the cell membrane. In this, you'll notice that I can change the heat, so hotter or colder. I can change the number of atoms. This is the permeability of the black atoms, and this is the permeability of the blue atoms. If it's 0, it won't go across the membrane at all, and if it's 1, it's totally permeable. And then this is the number of blue below and black below. So as I hit go, you notice that the molecules are hitting into each other. This is called Brownian motion, and that movement of the molecules is what causes them to spread out. Any of the blue molecules that are going to the cell membrane are being able to go across all by themselves. This will happen with small uncharged molecules. They can go right across the cell membrane. The black molecules represent things like ions or really large molecules. They can't go through right across the membrane. They need to have protein channels. So you'll notice that these blue molecules up here are beginning to spread out, and every once in a while one of them will hit the cell membrane on that side and come back to the other side. Eventually, you're going to have an equal number of blue molecules above and below. The black molecules will all stay on one side. So this shows how cells can get molecules to move in across the cell membrane into them, and it doesn't require any extra energy. The energy just comes from the motion of the atoms, of the molecules. If I increase the heat, then it starts to even go faster. Okay? So this is why it's really important in your body to be a certain temperature. If your body temperature slows or gets colder, then it slows down and the molecules move so slowly that they don't move across the membrane fast enough to keep you alive. Okay? So here you are seeing diffusion across the membrane. And if you look at this membrane, you see 2 layers of phospholipids. This is called our phospholipid bilayer. I would like for you to play with this simulation and see how it changes when you change these values. You can move these up and down and just see how it works.